If you want to get more views and more subscribers on YouTube, I recommend you watch this video where I share 7 tips that will help you grow on YouTube. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a video like this with AI that will get you more views and more subscribers on YouTube. What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. This is a video that took me only 15 minutes to create, but it looks professional and high quality. And best of all, it doesn't require any editing skills whatsoever. So let's get started. First of all, go to a video platform and search for AI CUPCUT. It's an AI video editor. It's completely free to use. And now we're going to click on this option right here that says Create a Video with AI. We're going to leave this blank and then we're going to type in our video topic. In this case, it's going to be about how to create a video. Then we're going to choose the duration of our video. I'll select 60 seconds. And then we need to choose a voice for our AI presenter. I recommend you use the first one or the last one. They sound the most natural. So let's pick this one. Now we have to wait a few seconds while the AI is creating the video. And once it's done, we can preview it. This is the video that AI has created for us. And now we can edit it to make it look even better. First of all, we can change the background. We can upload our own image or video as a background, or we can pick one from the library. I'll go with this one. We can also add a logo to the video, which is very useful if you want to promote your brand. We can add a logo at the beginning or at the end of the video, or both. I'll select this one. Next, we can choose a thumbnail for our video. We can upload our own image, or we can pick one from the library. I'll go with this one. We can also change the title and the description of the video. And finally, we can add some text to the video. For example, let's add the social media handles at the end of the video. We can preview the changes we've made by clicking on this button. And now, let's download the video. Now that we have the video downloaded, we can upload it to our YouTube channel. Before uploading, we need to add a video link to our video. You can get the link from a Linktree website. Once we have the link, we can upload the video to our channel. And now let's publish the video. That's it. Our video is uploaded and ready to be seen by the world. See you there.